All right, so I set a goal for 2020 as far as my Canadian silver. I am happy to report that I have met that goal and I didn't even realize it. So stay right there. I'll be right back. Hello everyone and welcome back once again. I am Silver Britches, and in this video, guys, I did not even realize it because I decided to do a trade for my Britannia bars for some more of these RCM bars, and that is what is in this box right here. I picked this up from Silver Husky. Let me get this opened up, and I met my 2020 Canadian goals. Yeah, I set a goal for myself at the beginning of this year that I would stack at least 100 ounces of Canadian silver, and I have achieved that goal. So let me get this package opened up and I'll be right back. It'd be like a second for you. All right, so I got them opened up, and I totally forgot about putting my good friend, my good friend. I've watched his channel start up, come along, doing great, man. It's the Stacking Cat. You guys probably know him. If you don't, guys, go over there and check him out, man. He's kind of similar to me. He likes to stack both silver and gold, and he does a fantastic job. So Stacking Cat, he also sent me a letter. I'm not going to show it to you because he has his name on here. Much appreciation for your engagement in my channel as well as the community as a whole. Keep it up, the great content. Stacking Cat, appreciate it, buddy. I love what you do, man. I'm a fan of most of you guys. I watch probably more videos than I make, and that's the truth, because I am a huge fan of pretty much everyone. I try to watch as many videos as possible, and here is one of them, and I'm cutting it out of the mint plastic. I don't like them. I know a lot of people are like, oh, it's blasphemy. I don't care, man. I don't like the plastic because it takes away from the good looks of it. So what he sent me is he sent me 2 RCM bars, and they're both sequential. So that is the cool thing about these. So I appreciate that, man. Thank you. That's pretty awesome. And I sent him my 2 Britannia bars, and I couldn't be happier. I prefer the RCM bars myself. I think they are more that simplistic and cleaner look, which is what I prefer. And it's just also a 4.9's fine, which is, that's debatable or whatever. But yeah, that puts me over 100 ounces of Canadian silver. And how about that nice little rebound going today for silver? And I went ahead and I picked up some capsules for my 2 ounces because I've been leaving them in these little baggies. So yeah, pretty cool. A little wiggle, but it's all right. It'll do. So silver had a nice little rebound today, and if you guys are on shaky legs, I don't blame you. That's the nature of the beast, man. If you're new to this, welcome to the party, because this happens, guys. It does, man. It's just a very, very volatile metal. It really is. And that's why I think you guys should always diversify. You know what I mean? Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Don't put it all into silver. Don't put it all into gold. Don't forget, guys, there are other things you can invest in out there that are, solid. You know what I mean? That always do a good job. Oh yeah, here's Husky's, here's the stickers he sent me. So pretty cool stickers too, man. Appreciate that, buddy. I really do. And he also sent me a note. Thank you, Silver Britches. I appreciate your trade and look forward to you posting an awesome unboxing video. Cheers, my friend. And dude, man, you packed the heck out of this stuff. Wow. I had to really cut through that. It would have taken me a long time to get that on video. So yeah, this goal has been accomplished. I'm very, very stoked about that. I don't think I'm gonna stop buying the Canadian silver because I do, I enjoy it, man. It's very good looking stuff. It's just a clean silver, like I said, man. It's hard to beat, man. It really is. It's just gorgeous. Probably one of my favorite pieces this year is Tank Privy. I don't know if a lot of you new stackers know about these. The reverse proofs that we call them here, but they're privies over at in Canada. They had the little privy marks down here where they're, and what's this? This is the old ones that I picked up. Yeah, these are what the bean counter calls long neck Liz, for the long neck. Yeah, I'm happy. All of this stuff looks fantastic, and everything with the 2018 and up has the mint shield on there. So all of that stuff is looking good. Although these right here are the 2014s, but I bought them this year, and if they're not going to milk spot by now, they're not going to milk spot. So pretty happy about that. Like I said, man, I enjoy stacking. I enjoy buying. It's kind of like a hobby / savings account for me, and I'm happy to do it. And if you guys need help with anything, man, always, shoot me an email, whatever. I'll give you guys a hand if I can. But yes, very, very happy to get those sequential. Let's see if I can show them to you. Sequential serial numbers. Pretty cool. Yes, I do. I was on the dip. I was gonna buy some of these, but whenever he came through on that is I bought these. Well, I didn't buy these, but we came through with the trade. You better calm down over there. We came through with the trade, and since I was already over my goal, I said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and work on another goal. So be ready and on the lookout for that. That is gonna be in the next video. I really appreciate you guys stopping by and watching. Don't forget to check out Silver Husky. Don't forget to check out my good buddy, the Stacking Cat. That's gonna do it for today, guys. Really appreciate you watching, stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep grinding on your stack.